Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a sweet and innocent girl named Danain. She had big sparkling eyes, a soft giggle, and a heart full of kindness. Everyone who met her felt happier just by seeing her smile. Danain lived with her beautiful mother, who was known not only for her gentle face, but for her warm and loving nature. Her mother would wake her every morning with a soft kiss on her forehead and say, "Good morning, my little sunshine." Their home was small but filled with laughter. Every evening, Danain would sit beside her mother in the kitchen, watching her cook while asking endless curious questions. "Ammy, why do stars shine?" "Because they are happy, just like you," her mother would reply with a smile. Danain loved to collect flowers from the garden. She would carefully pick the prettiest ones and bring them to her mother. "These are for you, Ammy," she'd say proudly. Her mother would kneel down, hug her tightly, and whisper, "You are my most beautiful flower." One day, it started to rain heavily. Thunder echoed, and little Danain got scared. She ran to her mother, wrapping her tiny arms around her. "I'm scared," she said softly. Her mother held her close and gently stroked her hair. "Don't worry, my love, I'm here. Nothing can hurt you." They sat by the window together, watching the rain fall like silver strings from the sky. Soon, the fear faded, replaced by comfort and warmth. That night, as Danain lay in bed, her mother tucked her in and sang a soft lullaby. Danain closed her eyes, feeling safe and loved. And as she drifted into sleep, she knew something very special, that no matter what happened in the world, her mother's love would always be her safe place. And so, in that little home, filled with love, Danain grew each day happy, kind, and surrounded by the most beautiful love of all.